Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bank of America credit card easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Bank of America credit card, start by finding your new card. Look for the activation sticker attached to it. It typically contains a phone number to call for activation. Alternatively, you can activate your card online. Visit the Bank of America website and log into your account. If you don't have an online account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section. Select the option to activate your card. You will be prompted to enter your card details. Provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, confirm your identity by answering additional security questions. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message. If you encounter any issues, call the number on the back of your card for assistance. Once activated, your card is ready to use for purchases. Remember to sign the back of your card for security. Keep your card in a safe place until you are ready to use it. Congratulations, your Bank of America credit card is now activated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.